Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be creating a program that mimics Fibonacci numbers and the sequence of Fibonacci. So to get started, we're going to make a number to store. It's going to be called iterations equals 0. We're just going to initialize it to 0. There we go. And we also have to make 3 variables to store our calculations in. So they're going to be also an unsigned int because it's going to be, as you know, Fibonacci numbers get quite large the bigger you go. So we're going to name the first one num1, and we're going to set it to 0. Num2, and we're going to set it to 1. And num3, and we're going to set it to 0. We will now get the user's input on how many iterations we want. And then we'll put it into iterations. Convert dot to uint, and then console dot readline. There we go. Now we have to output the first 2 numbers. So we'll output num1, and we'll copy this line, put that there. Output number 2. Now we have to make a for loop to go through each of these iterations. So we're going to start at 2 because you already outputted the first 2. So int, actually we'll make a uint I equals 2, while I is less than iterations, and then I plus plus. Alright. Inside the loop, we're going to set num3 equal to num1 plus num2. Num2. We're going to output num3. And then we're going to do some more math here. So we're going to say num1 equals num2. And num2 equals num3. Alright, that looks to be correct. And so now it should work. So let's just test it out. Actually, wait a second here. We're just going to cancel. I don't believe we need these numbers. Yeah, I think it's just, oh wait. Yes, we do need those numbers, never mind. Alright, let's try it out. Alright, so we could start with, let's start it with 5. So that looks good. And on a different page, I have the correct Fibonacci numbers for the first 20. So I'll pull that over as soon as I rerun this. All right, so let's get 20 numbers. Let's zoom out a bit here. All right, so those are the first 20 numbers. If I pull this over, oh, just get this set up here, put that there. Maybe. There we go. All right, so 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. And it ends with 1481. And ours ends with 1481. So that looks to be correct. So if you guys have any questions or if you have any suggestions for videos in the future, make sure to comment down below, and it would help a lot if you guys subscribed. It helps greatly, and I'll see you guys in the next one.